Hello to everyone who is watching us. Today I will show you how to change a broken LCD panel with touch screen in an ICP1601 HMI LCD panel built by Komax Group. Komax Group is a well-known manufacturer who is building mostly equipments for the automotive industry. So let's start it. This is a new panel which arrived today at our workshop. Before we install it, we have to do some visual inspection first. We have to see if the manufacturer's warranty label was removed or not. In this case, we can see that everything seems alright. Second, we have to see on the surface of the LCD screen and touch panel if there are any signs of punch or scratches. As you can see, everything seems alright. So we can go further with the repair procedure. The LCD panel was attached to the PCB board by these 4 negative screws. Further, I've connected the high voltage cable. As you can see, this kind of connector doesn't give any problem to attach it, but regarding the touch panel connector and a flat cable and LCD flat cable, please pay attention to the connectors when you inserted them, because if you're using a more power pressure power than the normal when you insert it, you can damage the tips of this flat cable, and after that is very difficult to fix it, or in worst case you have to replace the whole LCD. The unit has been assembled. I've done the powering of the PCB, so as you can see there is the LED of 24-volt power supply. It's on. It seems it's working. But as I told you earlier, this kind of LCD panel will work 100% only installed in the machine, because it doesn't have any operating system on it, so it will work only if the opposite signals are transmitted on one of both of connectors. So I can tell that our job is done here. We will send it back to the customer to test it on the machine.